Hey guys, Master Sanzo here. You already know I am the final anomaly. I'm going to go over the follower giveaway rules, how to qualify, when will the giveaway take place, how will the winners be selected, how can the giveaway be redeemed, and if you can participate in future giveaways if you've already been a follower and if you've already won one of the prizes. So first off, how to qualify. Guys, just join the team, become a part of our unit, a member of the family, and follow me on Twitch. When will the giveaway take place? It'll be live streamed via webcam, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time on the week the follower goal is reached. And how will the winners be selected? All the members of our family, our unit, every follower, as of the Saturday on the week the goal is reached, will be entered into a drawing. It'll be via white ticket. Your name will be written down, and I'll put it in my followers bin. I'll later then randomly select somebody, and that'll determine the winner. How can the giveaway be redeemed? It'll, depending on the specific giveaway, it'll either be by mail or digital. And can you participate in future giveaways if you've already been a follower and if you've already won? Of course you can. If you've joined the team, you're a part of our unit, you're a part of the family, loyalty is going to be rewarded. All of the followers moving forward will be included in all drawings regardless of multiple redemptions. And lastly, guys, thank you so much for your support. It means a lot. I mean that. And this is not a requirement to qualify for the giveaway, but if you're watching this video, you're watching it on YouTube, if you can please subscribe to the channel, like one of the videos, comment on one of the videos. If any of this stuff has been useful, some of the tutorials I have on here, or you just enjoy the content, keep in mind it is different content than what's on my live streams on Twitch. Please share it. Let's try to grow this family. Let's try to grow this unit, and let's make this community huge. Thank y'all.